What's the meaning of cousin brother? Cousin brother. Cousin brother.
Cousin brother. Cousin brother. The term cousin brother is commonly used in some cultures to refer to a male cousin, or a cousin who is male. This type of relationship is often viewed as being closer than a regular cousin, similar to that of a brother. However, it is important to note that the term may have different meanings and implications in different cultures and contexts. Ultimately, the exact definition and significance of cousin brother depends on the cultural and social norms of the people using the term.